Hi there, welcome back to our series. Now that we've configured the settings, it's time for the most exciting part, creating your very first online course. In this video, I'll show you how to build a course manually and how to use AI to speed up the process. Let's head over to LearnPress and click on Courses to get started. First, click the Add a New Course button. Let's give our course a title. I'll call this one This is a course created with LearnPress. On the right sidebar, you can organize your content by selecting a category, like this default education category, to help students find your course more easily. Add some tags to boost your site's searchability. Or you can also make your course stand out by setting a featured image here. Feel free to use the AI generator or upload your own. Now, let's scroll down to the course settings. There's a lot of settings that you can add and change in your course to make it more interesting. You can toggle the offline course option if this is a physical class, or move to pricing to set your enrollment fee. Take your time to look through these tabs to better customize the student experience. Okay, now let's build the heart of your course, the curriculum. Start by creating a new section. We'll name this Introduction. Once done, click the Add section. Next, you should create a lesson. I'll create a welcome lesson here. You can click the Edit icon to open the lesson editor. In the editor, you can add the details of the lesson, like the duration or the material needed. Assessment is key. So let's add a quiz in the curriculum. Type in your quiz title and click Add Quiz. When you open the quiz editor, you'll see how easy it is to select question types and set passing grades. This keeps your students engaged and tracks their progress effectively. Once your curriculum is ready, simply scroll back up and hit the Publish button. Congratulations, your course is now live. Okay, now let's see how it looks for your students. Click View Course to see the front-end layout. Everything we just built, including the title, lessons, and quiz, is perfectly organized. You've just created your first course manually. There is another option if you don't want to do it manually. Let's use the LearnPress AI first. Make sure you've enabled the AI feature in your settings. This tool uses OpenAI to help you draft entire course structures in seconds. Go back to Courses and click Generate with AI. Simply follow the steps. Define your course goal, adjust the AI settings like tone and language, and set your structure. Once you've finalized the initial settings, click Generate Prompt. You'll see a highly detailed instruction set based on your specific requirements. You can scroll down to explore the data preview. This gives you a clear view of your entire curriculum before anything is actually created on your site. It's the perfect time to ensure the flow of the course meets your expectations. If everything looks solid, simply click Create Course to let the AI build your final product instantly. The AI has automatically built a full curriculum for us, including lessons and sections. Review the content, make any minor changes you like, and hit Publish. So in this video, I've shown you the different ways for you to create your online course. You can choose whatever approaches suit you best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.